Hey guys, welcome on into today's video where we're going to be showing you how you can take the belt off of your turntable and put it back on. Maybe you're taking things apart so you can clean underneath the platter of your turntable, or you're replacing your old belt with a new belt. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take off the rubber mat. And then after that, you should see that the belt is right here around this little spindle, and that's good to go. So we're going to go ahead and just carefully lift the platter off of the turntable. And my belt is pretty loose, so it didn't stay around this little lip here that's on the platter, but that's not too big of a deal. And then once you do that, if you want, you can clean things up a bit or take your old belt and replace it with a new one. But if you forget how to put the belt back on, that's the main objective here of this video. So we're going to be showing you how to do that. So you take your old belt and put it around that little lip here on the bottom of the platter. And if you have a looser belt like I have on my turntable, if you flip this over, it's gonna fall, or the belt is gonna fall down, so it's not gonna be where you want it. So make sure you get a little tension here on the belt with your finger as you slide this thing over. And make sure that belt is around that little lip that we put it through. And now we're gonna go ahead and set this back down. And with holding that belt, we're going to put it right back around the little spindle there. And then just to test to make sure, you can just spin the platter around with your finger and make sure that the belt stays around that little spindle so everything is good to go. So that's going to wrap up today's video, guys. Thanks for stopping on in. If you have any questions, throw those down in the comment section. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you in future videos. Bye.